Imagine finishing hours of work in just a few minutes. Sounds impossible? Well, not anymore. In this video, I'll show you 5 completely free AI tools that can help you write emails, summarize long documents, create stunning thumbnails, perform smarter research, and even turn PDFs into podcasts. Let's get started. Imagine you're in a hurry. You need to send a professional sick leave email to your manager. But you don't know how to write it. Instead of spending 15 minutes thinking, just open ChatGPT. Type, write a professional sick leave email. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates a clean, professional email. But that's not all. Let's try another prompt. Create a modern resume template for a fresher. And just like that, you get a well-structured resume ready to customize. This is why ChatGPT is one of the most useful AI tools for everyday work. Now, let's look at Google Gemini. Imagine you've received a long PDF with dozens of pages. But you don't have time to read everything. Simply open Gemini, upload your document, and ask, summarize this article into 5 bullet points. Within seconds, Gemini extracts the key information and gives you a clear summary. If the response feels too detailed, just click shorter or ask it to make the summary more concise. That's it. Instead of spending 30 minutes reading, you can understand the entire document in under a minute. The third tool is Canva AI. Creating a professional YouTube thumbnail usually takes time. But with Canva AI, it's much easier. Just open Canva, select AI image or magic design, and enter a prompt like, create a modern YouTube thumbnail for AI tools with futuristic blue neon colors and bold text. In just a few seconds, Canva generates multiple thumbnail ideas automatically. Simply scroll through the designs. Choose the one you like. Customize the text if needed. And your thumbnail is ready to use. The fourth tool is Perplexity AI. At first glance, it looks just like Google. But there's one major difference. Instead of showing you a list of links, Perplexity gives you a direct answer with trusted sources. Let's try a simple prompt. What are the best AI tools for students? Within seconds, Perplexity not only lists the best AI tools, but also explains why they are useful and cites the websites where the information came from. Think of it as Google search, powered by AI, if you want fast, reliable research instead of searching through multiple websites. Perplexity is definitely worth trying. The final tool is NotebookLM by Google. Imagine you have a long document, but instead of reading every page, you want to listen to it like a podcast. Simply open NotebookLM, upload your PDF, and click Generate Audio Overview. Within a few moments, NotebookLM transforms your document into a natural conversation between two AI hosts. It's like turning your notes into your own personal podcast. Whether you are studying, researching, or preparing for work, NotebookLM helps you learn faster and saves a lot of time. This is one of the most underrated AI tools you should definitely try. These were 5 powerful AI tools that can save you hours every week. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to AI Mawa, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming AI tutorials.